Hi everyone! In this video, we show how to run Bayesian model averaging with instrumental variables using the graphical user interface and the datasets provided in the GitHub repository. In this example, we use the datasets 11 export diversification HHI CSV and 12 export diversification HHI-INSTR.CSSV to illustrate how the model works. First, go to the Bayesian Model Averaging tab and click on Normal Data. Then under Which Type Do You Want to Perform, select Instrumental Variable. After that, click on Browse and select the file 11 Export Diversification HHI.CSV from the Data App folder. Then click Browse again and select the file 12 Export Diversification HHI-INSTR.CSV from the same folder. Bayesian model averaging with endogeneity requires two input files. The first file should contain the dependent variable in the first column, followed by the endogenous regressors, and then the exogenous regressors. If an intercept is required, the user should include a column of $1. Once this file is loaded, you will see a preview of the first uploaded dataset. The second file should contain all the instruments. In addition, users must specify the number of endogenous regressors. Next, set the number of MCMC iterations and the burn-in period. Then click Go. The app will generate a table where the first column lists the variables, followed by their posterior inclusion probabilities, and the Bayesian model averaging posterior means of the coefficients. The first table corresponds to the outcome equation, or second stage, while the following tables correspond to the first stage equations for the endogenous regressors. Finally, you can download the BMA results first stage and BMA results second stage files. These files report, for each variable, the posterior inclusion probability and the Bayesian model averaging posterior mean of the coefficients. You can also download the posterior chains. In these chains, you will first find the posterior draws of the second stage location parameters, followed by the posterior draws of the first stage coefficients, and finally, the posterior draws of the covariance matrix across equations. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.